Good morning, guys. Good morning. I am definitely late today. Lots going on. Trying to get everything set up, my watch list, and just a trade station. Getting close to the open. I did not trade pre-market. So I'm watching LIXT right now. LIXT over 3 when market opens. So 304. All right, let's watch LIXT. All right, we are coming up 15 seconds till the bell. LIXT 1 cent spread. So LIXT high is 309. Watch it bounce off of 270 area, 277. But that could be a first minute and I wouldn't trade that. All right, keep watching LIXT. Oh, that was a minute. And yeah. GTST is not bad, but it got to break the VWAP. I see a lot of movement here right now. I know Bondman is pushing it. So 309 is high, 310. Okay. Get ready. He's waiting for a squeeze. All right, you ready? I'm just watching for, yeah, there you go. That's a good trade. Now wait for the sell off. Yeah, there's a sell off right here. Watch, the low is 92. 92. 310. So wait for the red to green move. 305. So 305. 310. It's definitely weak. It's It's weaker than I anticipated for sure. I'm waiting for that bounce and red to green at the 310. So a new minute candle's coming up, 306. 306. You see those jumps? The 2 cent, 3 cent spread. The spread's a little high, so, but it's definitely holding that area. So we got to determine what is it going to be. There's definitely fighting going on, right? LGVN. So DTST is not looking bad. Let's look at DTST. So DTST over 392. Over 392. DTST 95. So watch that 4 level. So 95 and 20 seconds. So DTST, we have 95. Watch that bounce. I'm in. Okay, I'm in at 87. Watch that 5 bounce. Okay. So watch. That was nice. The 9506. See, that's good. So IMMX is actually setting up for that bull flag at 698. Also LIXT. I want to see LIXT. I want to see how that's going to trade. 298 LIXT. 298 LIXT. I want to see volume. I'm in. I want to see that 98, 95. So I'm in at 89. So I want to see that 98.3 test. I want to see that 3 test. Nope, I see red. What's moving? CELZ is moving. LGBN also nice, red to green. IMMX, wow. DTST is now halted. LIXT is basically a dud right now. LGBN, watch LGBN. I'm not trading LIXT. Watch LGBN. LGBN 1450. LGBN 1450. LGBN 1450. LGBN 1450 in 20 seconds. I'm in at 32. I want to see that 1450 break. Okay. So it's gonna flush a little, just watch. Okay. I'm still watching 1454. There it goes. There's a flush. LIXT bounce of a VWAP maybe. LGBN is a very spready 7 to 10 cent spread. Gotta be careful. Watch LIXT given that red to green here. Break of 284. LIXT is selling off. IMMX could be something. Just watch that 712 area, 706 into the 729. Resumption on DTST 3723. So 2 minutes. So what else? Nothing's holding. LIXT is not holding. RELI, good red to green. Good red to green on RELI. Okay, IMMX. Let's watch this. IMMX. 7706 IMMX. 30 seconds. Watching in 20 seconds. Watching for green. Small share size. 15 seconds. Watching for that green. Okay, nothing's happening right now. Watching. 95. I'm in. I see small amount of green coming in. In at 98. If I see any red, I'm out. Okay, it's not holding 798. Okay. So nobody's nope, out. But still, let's see, RELI was nice, bull flag. CLZ, it's not bad. 37.23, so 10-minute halt on DTST. Guys, if you're watching, hit a like button. Doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me and help my channel. Watching 7 still on IMMX. I'm in at 89. I'm just watching for a potential sell-off here. So 87 right now is low, so if I see red, I'm out. 88, 86. It's definitely looking weaker. There it goes. There's some volume. 91. Are we gonna see more volume? Are we gonna test 7? 93. There it goes. Nope, we're not. Just keep watching the 7 area. So 95 and 7. Just watch for that volume coming in. It's very choppy. Look at the wicks on the 5-minute. They're crazy. I'm in at 92. It's definitely giving me the higher fill. 88. I'm out. Yeah. I guess I'm just gonna wait for it to resolve. RELI could be something. Watch that 950 break into the 10. That's exactly the IMMX move I was waiting for. RELI or IMMX. Which one? IMMX 710. Let's see, 710 IMMX. Pullback. Pullback. 7. I'm in. Let's see, I'm in at 94. I want to see bids go up. No. So RELI Bunman is pushing it, so just watch out. I don't like it's too extended. 78 a dip. 704 on IMMX. IMMX 704. There's a RELI is definitely looking good. 95, 90, 99, which is 10. So break of 10. Flush 60. Wow. Look at IMMX just sold. DTST just resumed. Watch DTST. DTST. Watch the lowest 40, high is 89. Just watch if it's gonna hold and support that 89. Okay, it's definitely pulling back. Is it gonna hold 50? Watch. 54. $53, 48, 48. Where's the? Okay, 48, 52. Watch. Watch that 60. Watch 60. Okay. There it goes. That 60's coming up. 40. I'm in. I'm in at 49. Nope. I'm out. 50. We might see something here. I'm in. Nope. So watch this. Watch this. 49. There's definitely a lot of sellers at 49, 50. So RELI bounce of a VWAP. Watch that too. So break of 65. $65 on RELI. Just watch. 65 on RELI. It's not gonna let me in, is it? I'm in at 57. No. I'm in at 52. I'm in at 52. 48. Any more red and I'm out. 52. Any more red and I'm out. Okay. I'm gonna add over 60. There it goes. There's 60. Why is the bid 52 and the ask is 62? It's not moving up. GTST. That's a nice turnaround. Still watch RELI. 60. Watch. I'm in. I'm in at 58.5. I'm gonna add more if I see green. No. I'm in. Oh wow. 59. DTST. So keep watching RELI. 57. Pull back. DTST was a nice 1 minute setup at 65 into the 80s. RELI, just watch that. 55, 53, 51. I'm in at 48.5. I want to see this 50. No. It's definitely looking nice at 55. Keep watching. Watching 48, 50. I'm in. Let's see if 45 is gonna hold. There you go. 47. I want to see 55, 60. There it goes. 55, 52. Okay, that's fine. LGVN, what is it doing? It's a flat top setup. I still like RELI. Just keep watching RELI. 15 seconds. There it goes. Over 53. Are we going to see it? 53. Red. Watch. 48. 30 seconds. 45. That's a sell-off. DTST is actually going again. 20 seconds. I'm in at 43 on RELI. 500 shares. I see red. Too much red. There's green. 43. 48. No, I don't like it. DTST break that 95. DTST break of 95. Watch. There's definitely a lot of pullback here. I'm in at 86. I want to see that break of 5. Will we see break of 5? Nope. I'm not seeing anything. 88. Look at our ELI. Did not hold. Same as IMMX. A lot of false and not holding. Break of 5 is going to be, I'm estimating 510, 515, and then flush down. DTST. All right, what's up? Let's see. Our ELI sold off, MYNZ sold off. I mean, DTST might do something, so keep an eye on that. For sure. Over 86 on DTST in 10 seconds. So watch 86. PRLD is moving. Okay, there's 86 break. That's good. Pull back. I'm in. I want to see 90 again, or 5 or whatever. Okay. I want to see 92, and I want to see 5 again. I want to see 92, and I want to see 5. So that's what I'm watching for. 92, there it goes. 89. So we got 10 seconds. It was 90 on the ask. I'm in. Out. Yeah, just a little. There it goes. There it goes 5, right? 95. Selling off. I'm in. I'm in at 93. Wow. In at 93, out at 86. Even though I saw the ask is still been a 91. That's okay. That's actually expected. But that would be a decent loss. So 5 is definitely a big resistance. What do we have? Still watching the TST. I might be a little higher on the share size because we're not seeing follow throughs. iSig out of nowhere, really? Well, iSig's been kind of curling up. I don't know. I don't trust it. So 98, 99. Yeah, that exit was pretty bad. So 86, are we gonna test again? 890s? Are we gonna test 90s again? iSig is popping for sure. I'm in at 75. All right. Could have waited to 87. That was a nice dip buy. Wait. Pull back. Red. I'm in at 87. Yeah. 93. 94. It's getting a little slow on entries. So 97. Man, is it gonna flush again? Fishing for that 5 break. I'm basically spinning my wheels at 97. I mean, it will happen because it came back to it so many times. It's just I just want to watch. So 91 right now, right? 91 to 97. So 91. Yeah, it took a while for the fill to happen on TOS. I'm at 17% CPU load. Not bad. I don't know why it's So watch 91 here in 15 seconds. Watch 91. Okay, pull back. We're gonna see pull back more. I'm in. I'm in at 85. Nope. Not good, not good. Still watching 87, but it did sell off big time. LIXT, just pay attention to LIXT. It might be onto something. Break of that VWAP at 274. LIXT 274, break of VWAP, 30 seconds. Watch. I'm in. Nope. 66. I'm in. Wow. I keep giving back the gains on it. DTST. I'm trying to fish for that bounce, but it might not be a bounce. It might be just a bounce of a VWAP and not a bounce off of 263, 270. So DTST. Back to DTST. So 80, 87. Wow, it's definitely selling off too much for my liking. So 80, watch 80 now on DTST. ISIG, maybe a 1 minute pullback trade. 83 already on DTST. Okay, okay. 20 seconds. 83. Okay. 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, that's it. There's 81. I'm in at 79. I want to see 83, 84. There it goes. That's not bad. Still kind of not optimal. It's definitely, so what was it, 85? That's not bad. 86 was high. So that fill was decent. That candle over candle on ISIG for 1 minute wasn't bad, right? 241 to 270. Still watching 86. Still watching 86 on DTST. What else is moving? Okay, we have 2080 on ISIG. I don't know. I just don't know. So EWTX. Okay, break of VWAP. The volume is low. DTST sold off. I'll be right back. All right, what else is moving? iSig. So LIXT, yeah, those weren't really good trades. 4 cents. So 1 cent, and then no, 3.5 cent, and then 1.5 cent. So 5 cents I lost. 25 bucks on LIXT. Anyone else watching anything? iSig. iSig is tempting, right? iSig is definitely tempting. IMMX going to test VWAP. DTST selling off too much. EWTX. Huh. So let's do iSig. iSig just sold off. Okay. EWTX. EWTX. What are we on the spreads? 20-cent spread on EWTX. A little too much for my blood. Keep watching LIXT, because LIXT, I mean, that the previous sell off, it's kind of bouncing off a VWAP here, so I want to actually see it break it and hold it. So maybe I'll trade a break, I don't know. Let's wait for that next burst of volume. There you go, LIXT 268, the highest 270, and then 274. So let's see what it's going to do here. There's a lot of resistance up until 80. Okay. I'm in at 70. Okay. I just lost another $5. I was hoping to see this bounce right now on it, but 71, 72, 45 seconds. Yeah. I was hoping to see the 74, but I sold too soon. But I don't think the bids actually went up. There we go, 75. LIXT, that's not bad. It's not holding, it's got to break it. We'll see if the volume will come in. We'll trade that break of 75. So watch 72 right now. Okay, 73. Okay, So now 74, 75 area. I still kind of have the resistance at that trend line. But there it goes. I see volume. It's definitely not selling off. So, but it's not going either. There's red. Okay, watching 74 in 20 seconds. 2 minutes until 5 minutes setup. Okay, a little sell off here. Yeah. RELI broke VWAP. Okay. Let's get back to RELI. Just for the sake of it. RELI 45.50. There it goes. Wow. That went to 60. That went to 60. 72 on LIXT. So 60. So watch 60 here, but it might be trappy, so just keep an eye on it. So we got 51. So we have, okay, that 47, 45, 47, 46. I'm in at 50. Are we going to go through 53, 54? There it goes. 28. So break even trade? No, 52. See, there was 48 and 57. So LIXT actually, LIXT 275. 20 seconds. So 5 minutes setup at 75 as well, but it's kind of getting dangerous here. 60 break on RELI, looking not bad. Okay, 75, watching 75. Pull back. I'm in. Let's see. I'm in at 69. I'm in at 69. No. 69. So watch 72. Get out early enough to not get caught in that flush. 72. Still watching 72. I don't know, I want that 75 break into the 80 and get in at 72, 73. That's essentially what my plan is. Selling off too much. Back to RELI. Well, 70. Wow, it's a lot of buyers here. So still watching LIXT. Never mind. There you go. 40 seconds. 73. Man, that's gonna look bad. Look at this candle. 73. Yeah. This is very choppy. I'm in. Nope. So let's watch this. 45 seconds. 73. Wow. I'm in. 71. I'm out. I'm in. I want to see that 72, 73 break. No. Still waiting for that 72. Okay, I'm in. I don't know, maybe too early. There it goes. There it goes. I want to see 75, 77. Am I going to get it? 71. Nope. Okay, RELI, I missed that trade. So 73, 40, 10 seconds. I'm in. I want to see 75, 77 here. Nope. Why is it not doing anything? 73. Watching. Watch. I'm in. All right, let's do 75 here. 77. That's what I'm hoping for. No, it's just going bananas here. It's 74. LIXT. RELI is looking better and better. Was every LIXT trade. 67, 62. 67, 62. So 62, 67. There's a lot of selling off right now. Are we seeing a bounce here? I'm in at 48. I want to see a bounce. 43. There it goes. I'm out at 54. Yeah, and that was such a BS fill. I got half of my shares filled at 48. Wow. RELI, half of the shares filled at 48. 32 seconds. There's a 60 break. Now we see red. There it goes. I was a little slow. I was a little slow on RELI. ISIG, yep, RELI. So the high on RELI is 10. So are we going to see 77 break into the 10? $65, $64. I'm in at 62. Bids are not moving up, not at all. We have no buyers whatsoever. No buyers whatsoever. I'm in 64, 65. I'm in at 66. Nope, out. So there goes 70, 65. I'm in. All right, what is this? 74, 71. I'm in at 71. I want to see that 77 break. Okay, I'm out at 74. Here's the 80. Here's the 80 area. That would have been a good entry to test. 80. There it goes. Bids are not moving. There it goes. Bids moved up. There it goes. There it goes. A lot of sellers. Bids are dropping. $75. 74. There it goes. There's volume. Watch that 80 break into the 10. Okay. Don't see anything. Volume still hovering around that 80 area. 75. $84, $78, $76. There it goes. Spreads are almost 10 cents. Spreads are way too much right now. I'm in. Nope, I'm out. Not good. Not good. The spreads are too much. I'm in. I'm in at 83. And I'm out at 93. Okay. So watch that pullback. Nope. Still watching that pullback. There it goes. There's a pullback. There's a build up. Drop to 80. Very spready. You see 95 and 88. So there it goes. There it goes 10. Look at this. Did you see that? 950. It's that's some dangerous territory. So 10, I mean 10, it's expected for 10 to do that. Guys, hit a like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out. It helps the channel. Alright, so what else is moving? Oh, LIXT. Hello. Hello, LIXT. So 77 area. Oh wow, that just popped through 77. Did it? No, still 77 area. It needs to, well, let's play and see. LIXT. 72 into the 80. Are you gonna give us something? I'm in. I see a build up here. I'm in at 69.5. No, there's red. Still watching. There it goes. There's still volume. It's not bad. The 5 minutes isn't. 5 minute candle looks kind of nasty. So 75. Watch 75 break into that 77.80. Wow. 72. I'm in. 72. Nope. Yeah. That was actually bad on my part. I'm in. So I'm in at 72.5. I like this. This was good, but the exit was a decent. Okay. I mean, look at that flush, right? If you were to hold here, that flush, man. Whew. Keep seeing a lot. ISIG, ISIG. Oh wow, man. ISIG is tempting, but not with it's like 30 cents spread. ISIG probably just 75 shares. Break of that 2140 into the 50. I'm in and I'm out. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much what the ISIG trades are. That's it. So I mean, if I used 75,000 shares here on this, that trade would not have worked, because DOS would have been like, oh, that's a large volume, let me make a call to sell it, and while I'm doing it, the stock is actually selling off. Never mind that, right? But if it's 75 shares or 500 shares, they're like, okay, whatever. They might not even send it to the exchange. They might have just internally routed it to people who were actually buying at that level. ISIG, I mean, potentially the 37 area, 40, but you saw the chop. It's a chop fest for sure, and I'm trading only 75 shares, so it's not that much. RELI 1 minute setup just happened. Alright. Let's watch RELI 1995. No, it's 995. RELI 995. Probably 250 shares. RELI 994, 995, 30 seconds. Is it gonna give me more pullback here? 82, yeah. Okay, 20 seconds. I'm in. I'm in at 81. The bids are not going up. There it goes. There it goes. I want to see 85. 85? Nope. Not seeing 85. Watching. Watching. There it goes. 85, 87. That's the break. Yep. That's exactly what I was waiting for. And it didn't happen. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 94. Okay. Out of 10, 12. So let's watch 10:15, because the high on the 5 minutes is 10:32. So watch 10:15 here. There it goes. 10:30. Pull back. Pull back. Yep, I'm in. Over 20. Okay, I get out a little early, but it looks like it sold off at 13, so I'm okay with it. So let's watch 10:20 here still. Yep, right there. I'm in. Nope, I'm out. It did not break 20 right away. I'm still waiting for it to break that 20. 10 seconds. Okay. Pull back more. I'm in. I'm in at 10. Out. No, I was waiting. I was waiting for that green volume to kind of show me that we're strong. and it wasn't happening. So now it's showing me that it's happening. But we have 30 seconds. The highest of that is 15. I'm in. Any signs of red, I'm out. Watch. I'm out. Yeah, I mean, it still lost 4 cents, but considering the spreads on it, 6 cents. So still watching 15. I'm in. Watching 15, I'm in. Any signs of red, I'm out. Out. Yep. It would have been okay, right? That break into the 30. It would have been a decent trade. So what else? IMMX testing VWAP again. I have a pretty serious resistance here at 680. That's unfortunate that RELI did not go to 1030 again. That would have been an okay trade for me. So, but RELI is being bought up. You see how it's being bought up at 70. So let's watch that 910 area. Or is it 1010? 1010. Okay. Yeah, but it's just there's a lot of pressure right now. The selling pressure. Okay, looks like we get some strength right here. Okay, 40. So 20 seconds to 5 minutes set up at 1020. 15 seconds. What is it gonna do? I want to see pullback. Pullback. I'm in. Waiting. Any signs of red, I'm out. Out. Watch. I'm in. Nope. I'm out. Watch. 81. Okay. 99. Watch. Is it strong? I'm in. Nope, I'm out. Watch. 15 seconds. I'm in. Boom, I'm out. Okay, so pretty much flat. No, actually not flat. 5 cents almost. It's not bad. But watch 1820. Oh, look at the IMMX. So it did break that 80 resistance. Huh. IMMX. I might just have to try you. Am I missing on RELI trade? So IMMX, no, that's RELI, that's IMMX. Oh man, I think I missed the trade on IMMX. Yeah, 710, the high at the market open. Jesus, come on. 730. IMMX. So the high here is 710. 710, watch that. I still like 1010 on RELI. I'm gonna be watching the RELI. Okay, RELI is selling off. Okay, back to IMMX. 7.8, 7.10 IMMX. I'm in. Yes, no, maybe so. Nope. Watch. I'm in. Nope. Yeah, this is getting a I'm in. I'm in at 701. Is it gonna sell? It's kind of laggy on entry. Yeah. Yeah, mostly giving back. I'm in. 98, 97. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. So 30 seconds. Yeah, definitely giving back a good chunk of change on this. It's not. There it goes. 73. Pull back. I'm in. Out. Yeah, this is it's filling me on the bid. It's filling me on the bid. So man. 720. Okay, I'm in at 16. I'm in at 16. Are we gonna test 15, 17, 20? Okay, I'm out. There it goes. That's what I was waiting for. I'm in. I'm in at 19, which is not bad. Are we gonna test 30? No, we're not testing 30, but that's okay. So that was a decent feel on the Thinkorswim part. Guys, if you're watching, please hit the like button. It helps my channel grow. It doesn't cost you anything. 7:17. So we have a 5 minutes set up maybe, but there's no 25. So the 30 is next area where the shorts will come in. So watch that area. So 17, 20. We need to go through 20. Stay at the 20. Like go through 20. Hit 25. Come back to 20, 21, and then see the volume again, and then push that up through a 30. That's essentially how I would play this. So watch this right now. Okay. It's holding that 710 area. So are we going to get some volume? I'm in. Are we going to continue? See, I'm in at 713. So there's a 15, 16. I'm out. I want to see a pullback. There's no pullback. I'm in. Nope. I'm out. Okay. That's fine. Just keep watching that 20 break on the volume. 15 seconds. And it's kind of heavy here. Just an FYI. It's heavy, and the 1 minute's not looking good, right? It needs to stay above the previous 1 minute high, because right now it looks weak, but I mean it still could work out. It's a low float stock, you know. Nothing is set in stone. RELI, what are we doing with RELI here? RELI break of 10. Should we play that on RELI? Let's see if we get fast enough to it. There it goes. 94, 96. Pullback. Give me a pullback. 30 seconds, pullback. Okay. Maybe. I'm in. Out. Yeah, I did not get in fast enough. I got in when the moves already happened. So now is the area for continuation momentum. Are we going to see this? I'm in. All right. Are we going to see 510? Okay. I mean, the bids are just sitting there. This is that's the hardest part about the stock is the bids. You know, they're chasing. The bids are chasing the ask here. And they're taking their sweet time, and if they're taking too long, then it could mean that, hey, the actual sellers are going to be like, what's going on there? Yeah. $10. So keep watching that 10-10 area. It's looking good. 6. There it goes. I feel like I'm behind on the entry if I try to get in. IMMX, we have a nice 1 minute setup here. 710, 7.8, right? Yeah, 710 on IMMX. Just keep watching. I'm in. Oh wow, I'm in at 6 and it kind of flushed a little on me. Are we going to get 7.6, 7.10? Or are we going to pull back? There's nothing happening. There's red. Okay. Yuck. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? I'm in. I am in. Okay, and I'm out. Same, basically flat. 15. Yeah, I could have held, but the bids are not moving up on it. So 15 into the 20 again and test the 30. That could be potentially another play. So watch this. 20 seconds. There's build up. Let's see if we have that final spike of green coming in. 5 seconds, I'm in. It did move up, I'm out. It's actually dropped to 12. I'll be right back. Freaking spam callers making me miss my trades on IMMX. 720, 23, 25. Pullback. Nope, no pullback. I'm in. Nope, out. That, see, pull back. Watching. Are we going to see 30? No. Look at RELI. What are the chances that I get the spam call on the freaking... What is RELI? 1040. RELI 1040 right here, 1040. I'm in. I want to see that. I'm in at 34, but wow. Out at 35. Dang. The bids are not falling through. Yeah, that would have been a good 60, 70 bucks trade on RELI if those stupid spam callers did not call me. And it's actually showing the 404 right here. Okay, still watching that RELI. Look at the bids. Bids are sitting there. Okay, I'm in. 37. Nope, I'm out. Jeez. Jeez. Why is it taking so long for it to get out of the trade? Okay, I'm gonna grab a bite, guys. I'm still gonna be here. I'm trading. Just gonna go off camera. You know, I can't trade. Look at the RELI. Man, I think I'm missing it. Let's see. Pull back. Pull back. I'm in. I'm in at 26. Nope. I was trying to catch that micro flush at 22, but I got in at 26. IMMX. IMMX, wow. So, we got 10 seconds. I'm in. I'm in at 16. Will we see volume? Wow. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. 10-cent loss. 50 bucks. Still watching it. I'm in. I want to see that 710. So if it's got to hold 7.6. Any signs of red, I'm out. It's not a good sign right now. Okay. So continue to 13, 14, 15, 10. Nope. Yeah, that's upsetting. This area has a high chance of selling off. So break off that 17 and sell off, or sell off before even breaking that 17. That 20 break on IMMX was really nice. I was watching it, but I still had to chew. 789 is halt. 750 break. Maybe not. There you go, 750. Man, I saw it coming too. I just needed maybe 5 more seconds. So 797 is the halt. Dip buys at 30s maybe. 35, 40. Gonna lower the share size on this. I'm in. I'm in at 39. No, it's holding 41. It's gonna sell. So 50 is the next potential trade at in 30 seconds. Nope, never mind. I mean, this is, so now the halt is 806. Yeah, that's 720, man. Phew. $720 was nice. I was watching it. 5 extra seconds. I need to put down my plate, and it didn't happen. My lunch just costed me $100. 50. 48. Are we gonna push? Let's see if we're gonna push here. 46, 45. I'm in. Let's see. Nope. Man. So watch this for volume here. I'm in. Nope. I'm in at 43. Okay. Let's see if that's a low here. Are we going to see 50 again? 43, 47, 44. Okay. 45. There it goes. 46, 40. Okay. Did I get out at 48? No, 46, 3. Wow. So keep watching this. 46. Not sure if I like this 50 setup. I'm still watching it. 37, 48, 49. I'm in. Alright, out. It's not gonna let me do what I'm planning to do here. I'm in. I'm in at 45. Will it do 50 again? No, they won't. I'm in again. I'm gonna be fishing for this 54 break. Any signs of red, I'm out. It's definitely, I don't see any green. There you go, some green. 43, 45. All right, let's go to 50. There it goes. I want to see that 50 break. Okay, 49 probably. Okay, 50.05. That's not bad. Okay, so let's watch the pullback here. I'm in at 40. I'm in at 40. No. And now I'm going to finish my $100 sandwich. Okay. Watch this 1 minute setup at 43. Nothing crazy. I'm not expecting it to. Okay. There we go. There we go. I'm in. No. It looks like I'm just kind of spinning my wheels on just same price levels and profits for the day. So watching that 43 pop into the 40 maybe first, and then like maybe 43. 43 would be high. Maybe 40. Try to like get in at 40 like right now, and then see the pullback. Watch the pullback. There's let's see, it's very slow stock. I'm in at 40. Okay, I'm out at 42. Okay. Selling pressure. I'm in. Okay, I'm in at 41. I want to see 46 again. I want to see this burst of let's see. Okay, we're in red already. 43, 41, 43, 41. The volume is kind of dead. Out at 42. Should have held. Break of 50, I'm in. 45's got a break. It broke. Now 50. Man, those bids, they're not good. 44. I'm in at 42. If we sell off here, I gotta see a bounce into the 50 again. Nope. Wow. EVTL. RELI. $250 shares. Watching. I'm in. I'm in at 78. Selling off or no? Selling off. Watch for that green come in. Break over 80. The volume is not there. I probably shouldn't even touch it. The volume is not there at all. It's a 5-minute setup. I'm in. Wow, it's not breaking 80. Got out at 83. High was 88. And this is the fills were not that great today at all. All right, pull back. I'm in. No, I don't want to test that 10 yet. Let's watch and see if it's going to test 10. I'm in at 96. 88. What are we going to do? Yeah. 88, 90, 91. Yeah. So I'm out at 93, in at 96, and looks like I'm in. Are we going to see? There it goes, 93. I want to see 94. It didn't go that far. 98. So watch that 98 again to 10. So we have 20 seconds until next 1 minute candle. It's hovering around that 10. It could be on the backside. It's just a bounce. So what bounce means, right? It's never going to reach the 1050 again. It just bounces from the 930 into that 10 and then continues lower. So EVTL popped. Wow. There's no, I mean, you saw that volume increasing in EVTL, but it's definitely something that it's hard to. So EVTL, you see it? See that volume kind of was increasing. That's the only hint of a breakout, but that's not necessarily 100% either. Let's see if RELI wants to do anything here above 92. Does it want to do above 92 anything? It's kind of dead right now. It's not even moving. 85. So it's a 5-cent spread. It's hard to make anything, right, when it's not moving like this, because what would be down? 12 bucks, 13 bucks right off the bat. Because right now the times and sales is flat. Everything is just flat. EVTL halted. Yeah, there's really nothing else going on, as I can see. I wish I didn't give that 50 bucks. on IMMX. Just staying put and see if we're gonna get anything in the second half of the day. Might just have to call it quits here and be done. Yeah, that $50 loss on IMMX was a pity for sure. Jeff, same music, man. Same album. You just probably didn't like the first song. Same stuff, man. How did you do today? Curl on RELI. Maybe bounce off a VWAP, but I'm too late already. 65 would have been okay. You didn't like the baby making music yesterday? Why did it cause you to make a baby yesterday? Oh yeah, that's right, you changed. Just keep the money in Lightspeed. Just open TOS account with a fresh chunk of change. So 79 on RELI, maybe in 25 seconds if it's gonna let me. 250 shares, nothing crazy. 79, so keep watching. 13 seconds. 5 minutes setup is at 90, but the volume's low. Time in sales dead. I don't know. It's kind of like asking for trouble right now, for sure. $72, $70. I don't know, what do we got? I'm in. I see some buying going on the ask. I'm in at 71. The bid's not moving up. 72. I want to see 80, but the bid's not moving up. The ask is there, but the bid 73, 75. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out right now. Get out at 72. Nothing crazy. Yeah, it's like, look at EVTL. I don't know. Maybe I should be trading a new stock, but just so tunneling right now the pre-market stocks and market open stocks. 73. So what do we have? 30 seconds to go. It needs to go above 90. It needs to. Yeah, it's looking weak. So EVTL, 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 EVTL. Let's see. Did it halt again? Sure did. Jesus. What is the float on this? 28 million. Okay. Okay. EVTL. Well, it's not really showing me. Okay. Kind of started late today. I barely made the market open. I thought I was not going to be able to make market open. Look at that sell off on RELI. Move that plate away. Right here. Still kind of feel like my head is heavy. iSig's playing with VWAP here. Was the increased volume. What? What else? Nothing else. That's the only thing I see is ISIG. But I mean 20. Look at that volume comparison, right? 180. Yeah, that's what we need to see. We need to see 150 to 100K volume. LIXT. How did I do on LIXT? I'm up $24 on LIXT. I traded it too, and I was hoping. I don't know how you trade. You traded pre-market. Yeah, didn't Bondman traded it pre-market too? Because market open, that's when I traded it, and I was hoping for that red to green over 302 into that 310 break of 310 and sell that into the break. Never happened. So it was a little challenging stock to trade at the market open. For sure. But jumping in, what, at 8 o'clock? Ooh, 8:30. Looking good. Those 1 minute pullbacks being bought out. Wow, look at these perfect setups. Jeez. You know, almost want to FOMO into trading this jazz right here. These are some nice setups. Look at this. Phew, phew, phew. For scalping. Hey, what's up, sir? Have you heard from Ski? Where is he? I didn't check if he is in RT's room. How did you do today? Did you make at least 300 today? I don't know if is RT still trading? Yeah, RT's still on. Oh, I see. Ski jumped the ship. Okay, I see. He's not even coming in to say hi or give a thumbs up. I see. I see. I see how it is. $205. Not bad. I was hovering around for a very long time. I was hovering around 130. And then IMMX happened, and then RELI happened. So mostly RELI, LGVN, DTST, $80. So just kind of, I gave back on IMMX. I gave back $50. Just look at RELI. That volume came out of no freaking where. How do you trade this? RELI. Okay, so 5-minute setup was a 75, got to 78. Are we gonna continue with volume? Let's watch. 68. So 70 would be my entry on the volume. Yeah, RELI. See, I didn't trade it yesterday. It was nice. I saw RT did his own magic thing that he does after the trade, after live trading, where he just goes in and trades on his own and becomes green. 70, 69. RELI was given a good setups for some scalping, but you gotta watch the bids. They're chasing. So see, like right now, 65, 67. Bid is still at 62. So 20 seconds. I'm gonna try to enter before the 70 break, if possible. But look at that tiny little volume. That's dangerous. And I almost feel like we are on the backside of things. All right, 67. But 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, where did that volume came from? Like all of a sudden. It's like, hello. All right, watch. Nope, 66. We see red. Yeah, 7-cent spread. 6 right now. Yeah, TOS. Well, we're cheap, right, to pay for commission because we're trading such a small share size and we're in and out so many times. I don't know your trading style, but at least mine. So TOS has given us this opportunity, but I feel like they will eventually shut it down. I think so. I think the regulations will shut it down. Not them, but regulations. There it goes, 69. Watch, I'm in. So I'm in at 73. No, I'm in at 68. I want to see 73. No, 71. So that's 75 right here. Jeez. Okay, 80. Are we pulling back? No, we're not. We're going. Look at that 77.83 spread. The bids are just lagging behind so much. RT was down yesterday during live, but I don't know if is he down today as well. Just watch him trade after the live video. He's gonna do scalping. So 80 again, I don't know. Geez, the volume is low. It's like I don't see excitement in this move. Nothing exciting. Man, this YouTube thing, it takes forever. I have like 29 subs. It seems like every time I upload one video, I get one sub. It's painful. It's like I feel like this whole market area in YouTube oversaturated with day traders. And you get like educational channels, right, where there's no live stream, but they're kind of talking about reviewing. Watch 79.80. Watch the volume here. 2-cent spread. I don't know. Will we pop? Will we pop over 80? Not looking that way. Okay. 75. 74. I'm in at 73. Bid is at 71. Let's see if there's red. I'm out. I want to see that pop. I want to see that 1 minute pop through 80. But I doubt it. 71. There you go. 72 bid. So now the ask's got to move up. There's no buyers. I'm out. Half a cent loss. Have to feed the subs. There it goes. There's the break. 7 cents, 5 cents. Wow. Wow. I missed that. 87. So I hate this type of trading where you just sit and nothing happens, and then you look away, and then you're freaking into the 10. I'm in at 88. Are we gonna see anything? 89, 90? We're not. Okay, well, that's fine. The bids are sitting at 90, 86. Yeah. So sir, you see me enter, right? You see my entries. Unfortunately, there's a delay, right? And YouTube, even though I put it on ultra low latency, there's a settings on YouTube. I put it on ultra low latency, but it's still, I feel like there's delay because I have a laptop that I'm watching my live stream, and it's like I believe there's like a 2 seconds, maybe a second and a half delay. So it's hard. I mean, obviously you probably need to have a level 2, but I feel like this type of trading is best taught or shown into in a private settings. So like would be like a get a room of maybe like a for 50 people, right? Or maybe 20 people. We'll start small. Let's do 15. It's like a round table, whatever. Have like a big screen, right? And that way you actually feel the energy, right, of that level 2 or whatever. But again, it's all very subjective. It's, you know, today it's this, tomorrow it's that. And I mentioned that earlier. August, September, October, they were kind of painful for me, you know. And I did trade November, December, and December I'm green every day. So and you see those recaps, but I don't know if that's specific because of how December was trading. Maybe algos or market makers were out on holidays and those 1 minute setups worked or whatever. Who knows, right? Time will tell. You know, I'm looking at a lot of, so RT stream, I think it's one of the better streams out there as far as learning. Okay, if you're into this type of trading, he's just very transparent, and I think his primary goal was, at least was earlier, not to promote the channel, but rather focus on trading. And he definitely graduated some steps into trading. And I was there too. I was there in that chat room for a while. Jeff, it's a good question. Out of habit. I don't know why. I'll be right back. RELI sold off. Guys, if you're watching, please hit a like button. It helps my channel. It doesn't cost you anything. ISIG. ISIG is a tough call here. That's the break. Wow. It's choppy. Definitely choppy. I do not, sir. Cersei Live? How would I say? Cirque Live? Sir is easier, but I just feel weird saying sir. Just gonna call you Cirque. No, I used to, and I think some of the early December videos I did trade pre-market, and when I had Lightspeed, I traded pre-market. When I had DAS with TOS, I traded pre-market. But it was like a hit or miss. Sometimes it was nice, but I want to get to a point, and that's what I'm. So I've been toying with this idea of having, just like, you know how Ross, right? He jumps on that initial spike of volume and news, the catalyst. So same concept, you know, just it's not happening with TOS for sure. Pre-market is an interesting beast. It's I feel like, I don't know if you have the Bunman sub, but I feel like you could jump in on that initial spike that he's pumping. That would be the only advantage into trading pre-market, because obviously pre-market volume is low and it's easier to pump it, So that's why pre-market jumps, especially when there's a bunch of people jumping the same time. I still have Lightspeed account. I just stopped paying for the platform. You know, back in mid last year, like March, April, May, June area time frame. Oh, look at that sell-off, crazy. Those 4 a.m. spikes, the Chinese stocks, right? Do you remember that Chinese stocks? No wonder they delisted tons of them. I remember that time. Got a notice of delisting a bunch of Chinese stocks, but man, that was some good times. 4 a.m. news, and it was like silly news too. And that thing would rip 200, 300%. So like a $4 stock, you can get in at 4.10, and you're out like at 6, 7. You're done, and there was low risk too, like 1,000 shares, and you could just make 3 grand. Yeah, RELI. What do you think about it being under BWAP though? I don't know if is that what you're saying? You're saying you seen that curl? I'm assuming you're talking about long side too. You traded that flat top break at 20. $930s is going to be resistance. 936. I'm not touching it until it goes above VWAP. It's just too dangerous. And I was right. I was right for it to be on the backside. So that pop at 11, that was basically a bounce. So I don't know if it's worth staying on. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe RELI again in the late afternoon. Maybe IMX above VWAP. Tested at 750 again. I don't know. What else? LIXT, I don't think so. iSig, nah. This stock is, it's from 2 weeks ago, man. Remember iSig was, Nothing moving at all. I feel like I need to be talking about something, but I'm not. Yeah, I6 gotta be above 907. And I would want to see volume increase. And then I would probably trade a 930 break. I've been trading for a while. I started Forex. It's been an interesting journey. But I wasn't like serious until maybe about 3 years ago. I traded Forex when I was in high school or college? High school. End of high school. To 2020, I actually took Ross's course in 19. Maybe and yeah, end of 18. So took pretty much your entire 19. When he had that wow, what was that on RELI? Are you still in at 9:20? Yeah, hopefully not, man. Did you see that well, you guys didn't see the level 2. That red, it was like, whoa. It hurt my eyes. Yeah, the back in didn't the TOS had commissions? Was it in when did they remove commissions? In 18 or 19? One thing interesting for sure as far as the warrior trading course, he's adjusting to the market conditions pretty quick, and that's one thing that he doesn't teach, but I think it's huge, right? You remember when the whole AMC GME era, the Wall Street Bets era, all of the sudden he was taking such a large size, right? And he was getting in high and averaging down, and it definitely wasn't his style of trading, but he adjusted to the volatility, to the momentum. I'm not saying it's bad. What I'm saying is I feel like that's something that doesn't matter how many courses you take, you won't be able to teach that. And that's one thing that I'm struggling with is adjusting when there's a change, because my style, my trading style, I'm fishing for that next momentum breakout, and I noticed that some stocks that it never happens. Every time I throw a fishing rod in, I'm giving back the money, right? The spread, sometimes the micro flash, sometimes even the flush. So like today on IMMX, you know, that was what, 13 cents that I gave, 10 cents, or $50. It was 500 shares. Yeah, that stuff is hard to adjust to, right? Because you're still in that yesterday's mode, but market is not. So that's where adjusting to market conditions is important. And I know some people able to adjust quicker than others. Me personally, I don't. I like to kind of dwell on things, you know, and try to apply the same concept until it just hits me a couple times like, hey, it's not working, change. How much I made on DTST, I'll show you right here. Not a lot, but it's okay for me. So what was DTST? How, did you do okay, Delacroix? How did you do on DTST? The DTST trade was the break of 90 for sure, like the 95, 93 area. But that's a Ross's type of trade, and you know, there are pluses and minuses to different trading styles, and you have to adjust, or you have to tailor your trading style to your character. And I think the importance of all these live videos or live channels or chat rooms is you need to expose yourself to what's out there, how people are able to trade, and tailor that to your trading style. Now, of course, there's a lot of factors. So like I was talking earlier, if Thinkorswim decides that they'll remove commissions, I'm done. If Thinkorswim decides that you can't take more than 50 trades a day, it's bad for me, you know, and then I'll have to adjust. But you know, it's gonna definitely change the style and system. Because if I go back to Lightspeed, so I took 200 trades today. So I took 100 trades, sorry, and it's 200 orders. It's a lot in Lightspeed world. 250 a trade. What is it? $500? Just not including commissions per share. And maybe per share would have been cheaper, but not by a lot. So for me to justify that, I would probably, in Lightspeed, I would probably need to be taking a lot more than 500 shares if I'm scalping 5,000 shares. But guess what? Even in Lightspeed, 5,000 shares, they're not going to feel you as good as 500 shares. Even Lightspeed. So that's just my thought on that. You average down on DTS down $42. It's not bad. You're still able to keep the losses to a minimum. So interesting that when I started trading forex, the whole average and down concept, it's all about comfort zone, right? And I'll talk in a bit about it more. I gotta do something. 1 minute. You increased your share size. I I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to hit the like button. It helps me a lot. It shows shows YouTube that people watch this. And tomorrow's another day. I'm not probably not going to be on tomorrow morning, but maybe afternoon. Tomorrow's busy day for me. So, but definitely Friday. So stay green, guys. Don't FOMO into anything. And I'll talk to you either tomorrow or Friday for sure. Later.